what's up? Today, me, D, and Lim are planning to go out and do a film photography shoot just for fun. We are right now at Blue Tokai, and let me introduce you to the guys. Yeah, say hi.
Hey.
Hi, man. Hi.
Guys, welcome to my channel. Subscribe, like, leave a comment.
1 million subscribers. D will give skateboards to every subscriber. This is also FP. FP though.
Film photography, man. Everything is empty, man. It's a true story also. It's
What's
like
up, guys? Right now we are going to CP,
growing up in US.
taking some photographs of just film photographs and just see, experiment and see what it comes out. Here's Lim, here's D, and there's Mayang.
Mother chick.
Film camera versus digital camera. Fuck digital, man.
Digital is the best, man.
Yo. Hold on, man. Film for the win, man. I don't know about film, guys. In the comments, I want to see you.
Uzi is the shit, man. Uzi X1.
I want to see what. Mine, what do you think? Digital or film? Film, bro. Film, man. Yo, in the comments.
Man.
So, Mayang, what's your shooting?
I have
setup?
Fujifilm 100 in this camera, and then I have Portra as well.
Lim, what is your setup? Check this out. Pentax MX with Kodak 200.
Yeah. This is the best Fujifilm X100 app.
It's getting hot. Just roaming around to find some good spots. One thing about shooting with film that you can't get on digital. Like you have to look for a right time plus right frame. Yeah, man. Tyler already took like 100 photos, man. No, 115. Yeah, I've only taken one. What's your only good photos?
Just for this video, I'm doing this digital, man. Don't judge me.
Don't cover the judge. We're heading to Aine, and we were just talking about our day. Like it's not a good day actually, but maybe with the biryani it will brighten up our day. Biryani and prawns masala. Mutton biryani and prawns masala. So we have reached Aine. We're waiting for our mutton biryani, beef fry, and etc. Yeah, out of energy.
We let some food in the system. After that,
Maybe then we'll get some good shots. But remember, film for one, digital from that. Alright guys, see you in the next vlog.